What is going on, everyone? Greatest Hits here. I'm back yet with another video, and today we are going to put on a decal for the car, specifically the Pontiac logo right here that I got from Hawks Motorsports. Link will be in the description down below. I never actually have put decals on my cars before. I actually changed this red bird into the white bird, but I don't think I put a video up on that. I did that myself. Anyhow, we're gonna go ahead and put this on. I'm not sure how it's going to fit the way that this thing is placed on here. I think it's just a bunch of stickers that you put on here. There is Pontiac lettering right here. It's like a printed onto the rear bumper of the car, but it's all in white, and I wanted to have a bunch of different blue accents on the car since the car is white and blue, the blue stripe on the car. I am going to get rid of the stripe and do something totally different for the car, but for the most part it's going to be white and blue, just to keep that white and blue accent and everything. As far as the doors with the little pinch body line or whatever it's called, I am going to get rid of that because I don't really like it too much. So I'm going to get rid of that and clean it up real good. And I think that might be it. I want to do something to the tail lights and the headlights on the car as well. So stay tuned for that. But anyways, let's get to this video. Let's get to it. I'm gonna rip this apart here. I'm going to see what we have going on here. Yeah, it's a sticker. I thought I was going to have to lay it on here and then peel it off, but it's actually a sticker. So, yeah, I have this plastic pry tool to kind of pinch the sticker into the imprint here. I'm going to switch this to time lapse if I can do it on this camera that I have here, and we're going to get to it. Oh, and by the way, I did wash the car and clean it. I did not wax it, but I washed it and cleaned it the best I could. But you basically want to do that before you even put any type of decals, stickers, or whatever on the car. Because if you put it on there when the car's dirty, the sticker's going to look terrible. It's going to bubble up from just dirt and debris, and it's probably going to eat away at your paint too. So like it's been doing to my car, it needs a paint job, especially in the front, pretty bad. So yeah. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like. I have messed up in a few spots. Actually, I when I went to put the P and the O on, they both actually broke apart because the sticker is just so thin and fragile that you can easily mess it up. That's one of the reasons why I got the plastic panel popper. This is for like interiors and door panels and stuff, but for the most part it looks good from afar. Up close you can tell that there's been some imperfections of me installing this, but it does look good. In the future I am going to straighten it out a little bit and make it a little bit better, but for the most part it looks really good, guys. Really good. If y'all like this one, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel, Greatest Hits. More content to come, and I'll see you guys at the next one. Greatest Hits out.